Okay, Captain Thomas, let's have a look at this one. Good repair. Good repair. So we are talking about item food contact equipment. And this is section 7.3.5.1.1 of the VSP 2025 Environmental Public Health Standard. We are talking about food contact equipment in good repair is item number 20. In the statement here is written, container must be intact to prevent contamination. This is, again, it's a minor nonconformity, is worth 2 points. And we're going to write here as a corrective action, replace the damaged container lid.
And again, this is another good example of active managerial control. The crew supervisors should be looking for this sort of thing in their self-inspections and address and correct them before an inspection.